This is the reality in Marawi City. While elite forces move to close in on the enemy, they're also rescuing residents trapped inside the combat zone. These women and children, rescued by the Army Scout Rangers, are one street away to safety, trapped by enemy snipers engaging the troops. On Wednesdays, the snipers are dealt with. A vehicle finally comes to take them to a place far away from the firefights. But there are areas in Marawi the military has yet to reach. Residents are trapped in places controlled by the local terrorists.
Kapag lumabas kami sa bahay na tinatago namin, siguro kami na lang ang binabaril nila eh. Oo, kasi dumadaan yung mga bala sa tabi namin eh.
Kita niyo rin po bang sundalo?
Walang sundalo doon. ISIS na lang. ISIS nang nakatira doon sa bundok, sa Lasorico.
Abdullah, his son, and some of his friends stick together.
Tumakas kami doon sa sa Tolale. Nakadalawang araw kami doon sa bundok. Tapos, walang makain namin doon. Kahit ano pa, wala na. Tubig na lang ang kinakain namin. Sabi ko sa mga kasama ko, gumawa tayo ng paraan para makalabas tayo.
They decide to sneak out through the Agus River, brave the strong currents, and swim their way to safety.
Sabi ko, kahit dumaan ng helicopter, huwag tayo tatakbo Baka sabi nila, kasama tayo sa ISIS eh. Oh. Tapos, sinunod ng mga kasama ko. Sinunod nila yung sinabi ko sa kanila.
They swim for an hour until they reach a riverbank near the city hall. The soldiers are there. But wait, first they have to wash their clothes by the river.
Nagliligo pa kami, naglaba kami. Kaya yung mga damit namin, hindi na maamoy eh.
Then they cook some food.
Sabi ko, magluto tayo ng pagkain kasi hindi ko na kaya umakyat dyan eh. May dala kami ng bigas na konti na nasagol ng lupa. Nasagol, basa na. Pinilit namin maluto. Kinain namin.
What happens next is another brush with death.
Pag dating namin dyan sa jail, nahuli kami yung mga sundalo. Sabi nila, opo kayo dyan, ha? Ngayon tilan, ngayon, tapos kayo lahat. Sabi ko, sir, tingnan ninyo yung mga ID namin. Sabi nila, huwag mo ilabas yan. Mamamatay ka. Hindi nila gusto makita nila yung mga ID namin para mapatunayan na hindi kami ISIS. Tapos may dumating na isang pulis na katulad namin, Muslim. Sabi niya, wag, mga Muslim yan, wag. Natulungan kami niyan. Siguro nasabi ko sa akin, patay na ako. Sabi ko, Allahu Akbar. Yan ang nasabi ko. Yung sundalo, kinablit niya yung balil niya eh.
They are finally brought to the capital. Their identities checked out. There's no trace of the day's ordeal on their faces. Abdullah is happy to be able to charge his phone and take videos of the commotion around him. It's only when he talks about his family that he breaks down.
Ngayon lang, saya-saya na ako. Baka siguro makikita ko yung asawa ko, pati yung mga anak ko eh. Kasi malilit yung mga anak ko.
The swimmers are safe, but they leave behind others, women, children, and elderly. In Manila, the military assures the public they have Marawi City under control. Down here, we hear stories like Abdullah's, and it's hard to see the crisis ending soon. Carmela Fonbuena, Rappler, Marawi City.